In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Perplexity AI research and design presentation slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Perplexity to turn a simple idea into a clear, research-backed slide deck you can present with confidence. First, make sure you can access Perplexity by opening an account. This is quick and helps you get the best experience. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean interface with a prominent search bar. That search bar is your command center. It's where you tell Perplexity what you want, and the clearer you are, the better your slides will be. Now, in the search bar, type your prompt. Speak to Perplexity like you would to a smart assistant. For example, you can write, "Generate a web app presentation slides for the topic Business Ideas this year 2026. Keep your wording direct and specific. If you already know your audience or the tone you want, include that in the same sentence so the slides match your style. You can also mention the level of detail you prefer, short, punchy highlights, or more thorough talking points, right there in your prompt. After you press enter, wait patiently. You'll see Perplexity think through your request. During this moment, it's pulling together current information, organizing it logically, and shaping your content into a slide-friendly format. Let it finish. When it's done, you'll get a well-structured output that typically includes a title idea, an introduction, a sequence of main points, helpful subpoints, and a concise conclusion. For a topic like Business Ideas in 2026, expect forward-looking insights, trends that matter, and practical angles you can present. If the first pass isn't exactly what you need, simply refine your request in the same search bar. For example, you can ask for more detail under each slide title, a stronger hook for the opening, or clearer takeaways at the end. Small clarifications go a long way, and you don't need to start over, just build on your original prompt. Once the slides are generated, read through them to ensure the tone matches your voice and the ideas align with your goals. Tighten any sentences that feel long, and double-check that each slide's headline and supporting points flow naturally from start to finish. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, enter a clear prompt in the search bar, wait while it generates, and watch as it creates your slide content for you. With a precise prompt and a moment of patience, Perplexity becomes your reliable partner for research and design-ready slides.